So I think I am already going to make a decision. I'm going to go with the JBA. This guy here looks very well made. It's lightweight. Has a sweet looking tip on it. This is the stock Mustang GT muffler. JBA. I got a sweet deal on eBay for this. So I'm going to put this set on. This one only weighs 12 pounds for one, which means 24 pounds for the pair. The stock GT weighs the same as the GT 500, which is over here. 17 pounds each for these behemoths here. So I'm going to go ahead and knock this one out. I'm not even going to bother with the MBRP. I'm not really a fan of its construction or its materials. So we're going to throw this one on and see how it sounds.